Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here with my December setup. So just a forewarning, something really annoying happened that I lost half of the footage. So I really only have this beginning half, and I'm really sorry about that, but honestly, there's not really much I can do about it. I think it was when I transferred a bunch of stuff from my old phone to my new phone, but whatever. Anyways, so as of recording, it is, I don't know, sometime in November. I've really kind of lost track of everything. Baby boy is still inside, chilling away, just hanging out. And we are looking forward to him coming at any point now. So I really wanted to make sure that I got this December video out. And if you are curious, here is November to date. Just some general life updates. So I will be doing Vlogmas in December. I am aiming to have days 1 through 25 done. I have about half of them done at this point in time and ready and scheduled and edited and all that kind of stuff. It's just the other half. It's kind of making me nervous given that literally he could be here at any point in time. So if I get through most of the days, I will try to film after. But we shall see. We shall see. Just allow me a little bit of grace, but I do want to participate in Vlogmas. I have a lot of videos that are lined up that I think are going to be really fun, that are going to be really interesting. So hopefully you find them interesting as well. These include my setup videos, goal related videos, 25 and 2025s, setting up new planners, ranking my themes, all sorts of things. A few 10 types videos. So very excited for everyone to see those videos. One of the things I am most excited about is that when it comes to next year, you won't see the same video over and over again because I am not setting everything up in advance like that. But my God, is it going to be nice for you all to see some new content? I can't wait for it. Oh God, I'm so excited to be able to work on some new things in 2025 and start new adventures, start new spreads, give new ideas, do videos again. I miss doing videos for everyone. So those are all my plans going into 2025. I guess it's not the worst thing in the world that this video is going to be short, just because you all know all of the spreads that I use in here at this point. So I have my monthly calendar, I have an exercise log, I have my habit tracker, my master task list, my projects, monthly favorites, and a reading log that I haven't filled out in God knows how long. So those are all the spreads that I am doing in December. So I, again, am really sorry that this video is so short and that you didn't get to see most of this setup. But hopefully you still gain some inspiration, and I'll see you next time. Bye.